Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Today, we're going to be learning about conduction, convection, and radiation.
Science rules.
Hey, Bill, what does this even mean?
Well, what are you talking about, Travis?
I don't know what thermodynamics is.
Oh, you mean thermodynamics.
Oh.
Thermodynamics is the study of heat and the transfer of heat. Like this is an example of conduction. My warmth is going into Travis's heartless body.
Wow. Gee, thanks, Bill.
No problem, Travis.
Hey, Bill, what's conduction?
Well, Travis, I think you mean conduction. It tells you right here in the book. Conduction is the transfer of heat through touch. Just like Joe there. See, that glass beaker is really hot. And when he touches it, the particles transfer to his hand. Okay? It's really hot. You don't want to touch it, okay?
Ow!
I said don't! But, remember that hug we did earlier? That's
Yeah.
another example of conduction. Just like metals. If a metal is put up to a heat source, it is more likely to heat up than a liquid, such as that water right there.
Man, Bill, I didn't know that. Thanks.
Science rules.
Well, what you doing, Travis?
I don't know how you transfer heat.
Oh, well, this is a form of convection, where the current from the water makes the molecules in this right here raise up to the bottom. And then they cool off at the top, and they drop back down. See? Goes up, and this one goes down as it's cool.
Shippers, I didn't know that.
Convection is a wondrous thing, isn't it, Travis?
So there's water in the lake, and the clouds are made out of the water too. But how does the water from the lake get all the way up to the sky?
I know. The birds bring it up.
The birds!
The birds!
Brilliant!
Yeah,
The birds take the water in their mouth, and they bring it all the way up and just drop it in the air.
that makes perfect sense.
Bill, we just figured it out.
The
That's
ball-
why there's clouds.
Yeah, the bald eagles bring the water from the lake up to
to
the
the
sky,
sky.
and now there's clouds.
Do you guys remember what we talked about earlier today?
No.
About convection?
Oh yeah, where when you hug and the heat transfers.
Oh,
and
no,
Yeah.
that's conduction.
Oh.
Convection is where the currents in the air. You can't see them. Look out there. You see any currents?
I don't see
I
any
know.
currents.
That's because you can't see them.
So they're not there.
No,
Where are
they
the currents,
there,
Bill?
But the currents go toward the water and they heat it up. Just as an example, like a cup of water. Have you ever boiled a cup of water?
Yeah,
Yeah.
and all the smoke and stuff on top of it.
Yeah, that's called water vapor. When the water vapor evaporates, that is another example of convection.
Oh, yeah.
So you're saying the lake is like a giant cup of water,
Yes, a giant cup of water.
and when it gets heated up, all the other water gets trapped in the sky, and that's why clouds are there.
Yes, it has nothing to do with bald eagles. Nothing.
Sweet baby Jesus, that makes sense.
It makes sense.
Good, good.
Thank you, Bill.
Thank you,
Welcome.
Jesus.
Science rules.
I think it's done. It's done. You can take it out.
Ow!
What's wrong?
It's hot.
Oh! How did it get so hot?
Hey, Bill, we put this water in this microwave and it got hot.
And the plate's touching it, but the plate's not hot, but the water is.
Well, I think this is an example of radiation.
A radiactin?
What is radiation?
Radiation is,
Radiation. What's radiation?
is the transfer of heat through waves. As an example, the waves coming from this microwave penetrate the water, causing the water to become more heated.
That explains everything.
Oh, hot dog, I didn't know that.
High five!
Put this up for me, will you?
Oh! Oh! Oh!
You okay there?
It's hot, Bill. Bill, what are you doing?
Yeah, the sun's out. It's all hot.
Well, I'm just tanning from the sun's radiation.
Tanning? Radiation?
Well, tanning is where your skin gets darker, like Josiah's here.
I thought radiation was inside a microwave.
Yeah, radiation can be used in many different places, such as the sun. Don't look at it though, it's really bright, really bright. But the sun sends waves down to the earth, and that they make contact with your body, and your body reacts in changing colors.
Is that why I'm tan?
Just darker. You're not going to turn green, Travis. It's okay.
Well, gee, Bill, thank you so much.
You're welcome, man.
Yeah.
You mind helping me up?
This
I
is
got
like
you,
scientific
Bill.
application.
Thanks. Don't touch me, Travis.
Well, gosh by golly, Bill.
Gosh by golly.
Go.
Oh, nice job. You broke it. Sweet. Okay, time to go.
So today, class, we have a very special guest, Mr. Bill Nye.
Oh my gosh. Oh, gee. Totally. Oh.
Oh, hey, how you doing? How you doing? Conduction.
Hey, Bill. What's conduction?
Well, Travis, come here, and I think you mean
Conduction.
Oh.
2, 3.
Joe!
Hey, Bill. What does this even mean?
Well, what seems to be your problem there, Travis?
I don't know what thermodynamics is.
Thermodynamics, my boy.
Oh.
Why did I just say it?
Travis, when the pimp's in the crib, drop it like it's hot.
Yeah. Did she get that?
Right now.
Never find
Fight
someone
me.
that tried to find me like that.
Oh, that hurt.
Bill, are you smoking meth?
Can't.
Science rules.